Hi everyone, welcome back my channel. In today's video, I'm going to lead you to play around with Docker because my projects mainly use Airflow, which uses lots of principles of Docker. So becoming familiar with Docker is the first step before checking my projects. So let's just get started. So for the history of content, I just use one sentence because developers want to keep their environments the same, no matter the local environment or the production environment. And the Docker is created to package or elements together, and it's portable from local to production. So that's the reason why Docker is so popular nowadays. And for you, you only need to know two keywords. One is image, another one is container. The image is static. It's just the application artifact. It's like the recipe. It's not it's not cooked. It's just the recipe put there, and the container is an instance of the image. It can run, can be stopped, can be restarted. It's the working application. And the first point is that one image can run multiple containers. They are isolated from each other. Like I have one recipe, my neighbor has the same, and we can cook our dishes in our own home. Just one metaphor. And for the image, there are two types. One type is the official image. And let me show you the Docker Hub, the largest Docker image library. And you will see for the Docker Hub, it has over 10,000 images. And I mainly use the Docker official image. And today I'm just use the Python, the popular programming language. So let's jump into the Python page. And it has the instruction. You can use Docker pull Python to download the image from the library. But I want you to take care of the tag, because if you don't use tag, you will download the latest version. But today I want to download the older version. So let's jump into our live coding today. I will Docker pull Python 3.8 for today. And it is downloaded. Oh, sorry, because I already played around it. And let's list the images. Here we go. And I wanna run it in the interactive mode. I wanna give my container a name, which is text1, and use the Python 3.8.1 and come into it. You just jump into the Python interface. I will import the sys. Let's say the current version is 3.81. Okay, I will exit the container now. So let's list the container, all container. And you will see it existed 5 seconds ago. So currently the status is stop. So for the second point, actually it should be the third point. First, another point is that container has different status. It can be running, can be stopped, can be restarted. And if it's already exists, you need to restart it and then execute it. So I will restart the container text1. Okay, and then I will execute it. So this time I wanna use the bash this time. So this time you come into the root directory of the container. I will list all the folder here, and then let me give you the root is, okay, it's the root directory. I want to come into Python again, and this time I want to import panda, but fortunately I haven't installed it, so I will exit it, and then I pip install pandas. So this is the second point. In the container, you can have different layer. One is the bash, another one is the interpreter layer. You can, just run Python coding here, and also you can just like use the normal bash. And then I will exit it. But you will realize, okay, if I run a container from the official image, it's just Python. There is no additional packages, right? So I wanna build my own image, which like for the official image, it's like the stick, and I want to add the black pepper salt in it to give it more flavor. So this is the second type of the image. It's the customized image, and I will use the Docker file to create to like give the instruction how to build my image. So the Docker engine can recognize it. So I will use a base image, which is the Python 3.8. And then I wanna set the working directory in the container. I will give it a name as the app. And then I wanna copy the current directory contents into the container app. What I wanna copy? I wanna copy the requirements. So I will create a requirements text. And then I wanna install the package. So after copy here, I will install needed packages. So just run pip install. I don't need the cache here, and read the requirements text. And finally, I want to define the command that run when the container starts. So I will use SAMD, and this time I will use the bash. So let's build my image. Give it a name is my Python app. Give it a tag it's version 1 and it's built in the current directory. You will see it's 4 steps. One step, the base. Second, so okay, I already built it, and then copy and then pip install. So I will say, okay, how many images we have? We have 2, and how many containers? Not container, sorry. PS, it's process status. 1, it's still text 1 uses the official one. So let me give it a name. It's text 2. I will use my Python app 1.2. And this time I will just jump into it. So because I already set the default interface is bash, so I will come into bash and then list. So currently I'm in the app directory, and they already have the Docker file and the requirements, right? So I will come into Python and say, okay, I will just import Panda. Okay, it works. And then I will go back and go back. So main directory. And I just feel it's a little bit boring, right? So I will add another. I want to use Python to write. So I just copy here. It's a very simple data frame. It records my career change, to be honest. So you will see I changed my career 5 times from biology, pathology, database manager, business analytics, and data engineer. So I will rebuild it. I need to build it again. This time it's my career. And still version 1 and in the current directory. And let's write. Give it a name, text 3. I will use my career app 1.3. Yeah, bash. Okay, so I will use Python app dot py. Here we go. The data frame is printed. Let's go back. Okay, so for the bash, it's not it should be exist. And I will let you see how many container. We have 3 currently, text 1, 2, 3. And how many is running? 1. I will stop the text 1. And then I will remove all Docker containers now and see how many images we have. 3. And I will remove them as well. Docker images. Please give me the list of their ID. Okay, there is no images anymore. So that's today's live coding about the Docker. And I will just stop sharing and going to end today's video because I don't want to let my video very long. And next video, I'm going to lead you how to use the Docker Compose to run multiple containers at the same time. Stay tuned. See you